As the 2030 decarbonization target approaches, global FMCG giants like Procter Gamble, Unilever, and Adidas are accelerating their sustainable development initiatives. Pyrolysis oil, as a key technology to replace fossil raw materials, is becoming a high-value asset for carbon reduction. Global brands are competing to secure pyrolysis oil capacity for 5 main reasons. Regulatory compliance. The EU requires recycled materials in plastic packaging to account for 30%, negative 35%. And mechanical recycling alone cannot meet this target, making pyrolysis oil a necessary supplement. Technical compatibility. Pyrolysis oil can be directly integrated into existing cracking units using mass balance methods to calculate the regenerated content. Cost control. Several regions, including the EU, impose environmental taxes on virgin plastic. Using pyrolysis, oil can effectively avoid these costs. Supply chain security. Companies lock in high-quality pyrolysis oil resources through long-term agreements to hedge against price fluctuations and carbon tax risks. ESG value. Pyrolysis oil helps create closed-loop recycling cases, enhancing brand image and market competitiveness. To meet the urgent demand for high-quality pyrolysis oil from global brands, Beston offers reliable production solutions with continuous innovations in pyrolysis technology, including catalytic dewaxing, distillation, and automated reactor temperature control. These innovations precisely remove undesirable molecules from the pyrolysis oil, increasing production efficiency by 200% and converting waste into high-value oil products, helping your brand achieve its 2030 climate goals on time.